So, a newborn baby who was born limp and having apnea, what will you do next? What do you think will you do? So, if the baby is born limp and baby is having apnea, that means not breathing. So, remember in the neonatal resuscitation guidelines, whenever if a baby is having, apnea or gasping or heart rate less than 100 per minute, what do you do? Yes, what do you do? Come on. So, we have to start. Yes, हाँ जी पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा बादल कुमार. प्लीज फोकस ऑन रिवाइजिंग दीज इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स. ठीक है, लिखने के चक्कर में मत पढ़ो, जस्ट फोकस. राइट. सो एपनिया, गैस्पिंग या हार्ट रेट लेस देन 100 पर मिनट अगर किसी भी नियोनेट का है, इफ इट इज देयर, देन व्हाट डू यू स्टार्ट पॉजिटिव प्रेशर वेंटिलेशन विथ बैग एंड मास्क. And the bag and mask that we use in neonatal resuscitation is the self-inflating bag and mask. उसको ambu bag भी बोलते हैं, self-inflating bag and mask, right? Very good, PPV, very good. So a quick, recap of the neonatal resuscitation guidelines. So you have antenatal counseling, team briefing, and equipment check. So baby के born होने के पहले we will check a few things that everything is in place, all the equipment we need is there or not. Then we see whether it is term gestation, good muscle tone, breathing, or crying. If answer to everything is yes, the baby gets routine care and baby stays with the mother. If answer to any of these questions is no, you do the same things and you stimulate the baby by rubbing the back of the baby, okay? Or you can flick the soles of the baby and then you assess. You see whether apnea or gasping or heart rate below 100 per minute is there or not. So this is the case scenario that we got in the previous question. So if any of these is there, then of course we start positive pressure ventilation with bag and mask, and you do the saturation monitoring and consider ECG monitor. If the heart rate still remains less than 100 per minute, you check chest movement and take ventilation corrective steps and intubate if required. Now, if whenever you're getting a scenario of neonatal resuscitation, in scenario if it is telling that heart rate is less than 60 per minute, so in any scenario in neonatal resuscitation, if the heart rate is less than 60 per minute, you must start chest compressions. What about positive pressure ventilation? That also has to be continued, right? So heart rate less than 60 per minute, start chest compression, coordinate with positive pressure ventilation, intubate if you have already not done so. Okay, and give 100% oxygen, use a ECG monitor, and consider emergency UVC, right? And chest compression is to positive pressure ventilation. We know the ratio during neonatal resuscitation is 3:1 and nothing else. The target oxygen saturation at 1 minute of life is only 60 to 65%, while at 10 minutes it is 85 to 95%. Now, despite 60 seconds of chest compression and positive pressure ventilation, if the baby is not improving, then you have to give injection epinephrine or adrenaline, right?